I've got ALCATEL OneTouch Idol free, and let me show you how to allow unknown sources on the following device. So at first open the settings, then scroll down, find and select security, so it's under location, scroll down a bit, and here you'll notice unknown sources. So if you truly want to allow installation of apps from unknown sources, simply click on this switcher, just like that. Now you just have to be aware that you have to agree that you are solely responsible for any damage to your phone or loss of data that may result from using these apps. So if you do agree with that, simply click on OK. And from now on you can install apps from any source that you want. So that's how you can allow unknown sources. If you would like to switch it off, if you would like to turn off this option, simply click on the same icon as in the beginning. So that's it. This is how you can allow and deactivate installation apps from unknown sources. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.